Hi, this is Detector for sitemanager.io. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a project with multiple languages. Let's get started. As seen in the previous video, we first need to upgrade our project with languages. To do that, we go to the general settings of our project. We go to Modules and Integration, go to Language Manager, and click the Add button. If we no longer want to use languages in our project, multiple languages, we simply click the uninstall button here. But for now, let's log into the project. The first thing you notice when you log into the project is that we have a second drop down right here where you can switch between the languages that you're using inside your project or go to the language management by clicking this button. You can also go to the language management button by clicking the project settings languages right here. To add another language to your project, you simply click the plus button right here and you can set up your new language. So we're gonna add French, for example. Set the folder to FR. We can set the language code to French, and we can even set the region if we want to. So if we want to go to France, like this. One of the cool features you have here is if you want to copy all the content from the main language, which is English right here, we can simply switch this right here and choose a language where we want to copy from, which is in this case, obviously our English language. And then we click the Add button. Now all the pages and the languages are being added and all the content is being copied. Before we continue, we first have to set up the page names to the French names that we have created. So if we want to change the home, about, and submenu, we can do this right here. When we're done, we simply click Save and go back to languages. Here you can add more languages or you can save the settings of your language. When you click Edit Language, you'll be able to change the localization settings, but you also can do the following. You can, for example, make the language inactive in the CMS platform, so it's not being used for editing. And you also can make it available that it's not available for publishing. This means if you make a language available in the CMS but not available for publishing, you can actually add the content to your website without affecting the publication of the website. Next is a language cookie. When you set it to on, it will remember the language setting of the visitor of the website for the next visit. With the final setting, we can configure how the language will behave when it's published. The first thing we have is the browser detector language module, and you have some options. You can not use it, or you can set an exact match or a match exact with a fallback. When you have an exact match, it will, for example, when you're visiting the website from the US, it will look for the English US version. If it doesn't find it, it will fall back to the default setting right here. But if you have with fallback, it will look for other English versions. For example, if you're visiting from the US and it's looking for an English US version, but you have an English Great Britain version on your website, it will fall back to the Britain version. You must also choose how the default language will start when the website is open. So besides using the language detector, you have to set it. So you have two options. You can either set it to the choice page where the visitor will have to manually click on the language that he wants the website to visit, or you can start the website in one of the languages that you have added to your website. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to manage multiple languages with Site Manager. First off, you simply can select the language you want to edit. If we switch from English to French, you will see that all the content is already here because we have actually copied it from English. But if we are going to change the copy, for example, this is French, and save it, and we return to the English page, you will see that the content is different. So you also have options to show content, for example, only for English or for French. All the pages can be set to multiple languages. The URLs are automatically updated to multilingual URLs, etc. As a final feature, I would like to show you that it's possible to add a language switcher to your navigation bar, to your layout component. So when we go to the logo with navigation bar right here and we click to open the design engine, you will see that in the available elements, when we select other, language switcher is available. Now I'm not going to add it and show all the options in this video because this video is more of a tutorial crash course video, but we'll make a more separate video showing you all the details, what you can do with the language switcher. I hope this video showed you how easy it is to set up a multilingual website with Site Manager, and you can edit it completely without any hassle, without any difficulties or plugins. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.